Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and I'm going to be giving you an overview of this portable air compressor and some cool stats about it, and what makes this extremely easy to use for the novice user. So this is what it looks like up close. It has a kind of a grip area here on both sides, so you can kind of grip it nice and neat. You have a soft rubber control panel here, a very bright, very easy to read LED display. You get your illuminated green dots here. 4, this is your power, lets you know, 1 through 4. It can be charged with the provided USB to USB-C. It also has a USB regular port. This also serves as a battery bank backup. As noted there, it will automatically turn off when not in use. Press and hold on, it turns on. Very cool. You have a light right here at the top, so you can have a solid light, which is bright enough. We'll say that. One press will just give you sort of a steady flash mode, and then a second press will give a random. So 1, 2, 3, blank. 1, 2, 3, blank, and a pause. So just from a having that, trying to get somebody's attention, you can do that. Then you have an option here. There's only 4. There's a button in the middle to turn on or off, and then 4 buttons around to navigate it. So that's the light, so easy to use. Then you have this control here, which at the top will dictate what type of preset you have. So you have a bicycle, it could be a bike or motorcycle. Then you have like balls or just kind of whatever you want, like no preset. You just adjust it any way you want. And then you can just adjust it up or down. Again, very easy to use. This can be set in PSI. If you do a long press, the icon at the top here, PSI, will change, and then you can switch it to BAR, KPA, long press again while it's flashing, switch it over. That's kg/cm squared. Long press, switch it back to PSI, which is really the only thing that I'm used to using. Very simple. The presets are easy to navigate. So here, if we go to car, bike, bicycle, ball, so it is 8 here. But if you're like, I want it to be 7 pounds, 7 pounds per square inch, very easy to use. And then it also comes with some attachments. The attachments look like this. So this would be if you're inflating a ball of some sort. You also have an attachment that looks like this, or if you wanted to inflate, let's just say a ball or some kind of inflatable that you need to blow into it. Then you have an optional connection here that will screw into this and kind of gives you another option for a different type of connection. It does come with a soft case, but what's really cool is it also comes with a hard case. So when you put it in the hard case, it ain't going anywhere. It's in there, and it's going to kind of keep it protected, which is really cool. One thing to note, especially if this is something that's going to be left in a vehicle and you want to know how much space, will this fit in the glove box? Will this fit in a console? This thing is pretty small. So it's only 7 1/4 inch wide. Then you're at 3 inches this way. And then you're at, if you want to round up, about 4 inches. 4 inches this way. So I can kind of visualize if this could fit, glove box, console, whatever it is. What's really cool, if you've ever filled up air in a tire before, like a vehicle tire, and you have the nozzle, this is awesome. You just put it over and you screw it on. When you screw it on, it's a wrap. It's on there. It's not something that's going to pop off easily. You got to hold it on there. You get it on there, you screw it on, and that's it. Another cool part is that when you're using it, once the top, which is the actual pressure and whatever you're inflating, reaches this bottom one, it automatically shuts off. So you don't have to worry about that. From a volume standpoint, it's not that loud or annoying, like some massive air compressors or anything like that. Not too. So that's kind of just an added benefit, not too loud. To switch out the connections, this would be if you want for a ball, you just hold it there and then you spin it on. And once it's on, it's on. The high pressure hose here is made out of like a braided material, so it's pretty stout. Also, it just screws in nice and conveniently in here, and then you grab your whatever it is you're needing to inflate, stick it in. So the pressure in here is a little low. We want it set to 3 pounds, just a little bouncy ball. Hit this. And then as soon as it hits 3, it automatically shuts up. I didn't have to do anything. Very, very cool. All right, this is what an automotive application would look like. All you got to do is take this end right here, put it up to your nozzle, and what will happen is as soon as it captures the air pressure, it will tell you the reading of the air pressure. So if you just want to use this as like a tool as like an air pressure gauge digitally, you now have the option to do that. You just screw it on there, tells you what you want. So in this example, the air pressure needed was 35.0. We got 35.5. I'm like, oh, okay, I got enough air. That's close enough. If I needed 36 and this was 35.5, all I would do is hit the power button. It'd go up to 36 and automatically cut off, just like with the beach ball. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ron, can you do a little overview, a little tutorial, give us a little feedback, tell us what you think about our portable air compressor. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.